There's the seized items that were put into evidence and the seized items that were not put into evidence. The ones that were not put into evidence are in control of the prosecutor. He can just, with a flip of a pen, tell the law enforcement agency, return that property, and they should do it, like right away. Those items that are in evidence, those items need to have a court order to be released. However, I never objected. I don't know any prosecutor that ever objects to the court issuing a court order releasing property and evidence on a case where, they lost. And unless they have some reason to keep it, and there are some reasons to keep evidence sometimes, but 99% of the time, you just sit back, you tell the defense lawyer, hey, just file your motion. We've got no objection. And they file the motion. It's not objected to. Court signs an order. Normally, they don't even have a hearing. And the court signs an order and it's over.
This isn't even something that you need a motion and an order for, though. Like, the prosecutor could just turn over the phone in the car.
The phones weren't identified and put in evidence?
Not the phone, not her phone. Text messages, the download, things like that. But the actual physical phone itself is just in the custody control of the prosecutor. He does, and you can tell just the way the lawyer wrote the motion, they could have just turned it over. He tried to negotiate it, and it's not even that Adam Lally is saying no. He's just not responding.
Which is really discourteous and really unprofessional.
Yeah, and I don't know if you caught any of Adam Lally testifying in the Miles Kitten case, but basically, he doesn't really have any procedures. He doesn't document his file appropriately. It's a really lethargic way to practice law and a very kind of negligent way to practice law, in my opinion, from his perspective. And this would fall right in line with that, because either he's purposely keeping this evidence or these pieces of personal property that belong to Karen Read from her, or he just doesn't care enough to respond to defense attorneys on cases to get them wrapped up, right? This would help wrap this case up, let it be done, move it along. And he is just instead ignoring this lawyer's request.
It reflects badly on the office because, they're public servants. And the fact that they won't return a phone call, not any citizen, anybody should be able to call that office up and the assistant should call them back. Plus, this guy's not a rookie. He's not somebody that, you're going to be teaching how to do things. This guy is a leader in the office. The other assistants junior to him look at him for an example of how to conduct themselves. And this is a bad example, and it reflects badly on the office. And, maybe the criticism that office received during the Karen Read trial was definitely justified.